y'all. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ivy the African Mom, and today, if you are new here, I always come on with a surprise. My kitty! You guys, you can see my kitty. I'm sitting down. This is my kitty, and my real kitty is down sleeping, but later she's going to come here. Anyway, today I'm going to be taking off my twist out, and this twist I twisted it wet. Normally I blow dry my hair and then I twist it, and it's nice. And this one is the wet twisted one, and I'm coming to take it off. We'll all see how nice it is, and then I'm going to put some oils and then retwist it back. I want it stretched now. I'll massage my hair for 10 minutes. We lock down in the house, so guys, please, even if you've twisted your hair or whatever, you have wig on, please take it off and try to be massaging your hair. Guys, if you massage your head, it's good for blood circulation and everything, okay? So please try and be massaging your head. It's very good. And today I want to tell you something. You see this hair, it's like 3 to 4 weeks now, so I saw that it's about time to retwist it, refreshing it. So I want to show you something. You see all this hair, yeah, all this hair coming out. Please never ever cut it off. It's your hair. In this world, there is no hair that is the same length from the scalp to the ends, okay? So please never cut off all the hair that is coming out. Leave it. When you see it like that, just please take it off, comb it, and then twist it back, okay? Today, guys, because we are locked down in the house and my kids are there, normally I massage my own head, but I asked my daughter to come and give me a nice massage. Pull your head too, you can pull it a little. It feels good. Thank you so much, Nana, for taking your time to come out and massage your mommy's head. Thank you. You're welcome. So now I'm going to take off the twist, and then I'll put in some oil, and then we'll retwist it, okay? So first I'll take off a little, and then I'll go off camera, then come back and show you how nice it is, okay? So guys, see how beautiful it is? See? This is my kinky twist out. Yeah. So I'm going to go off the camera and I'll come back and show you how all looks like, okay? And then I'm going to rebraid it today. Okay, stay tuned. Hi lovies, I'm still on here trying to finish taking it off. I've done like almost half. See how beautiful it is? I'll take this side off and I'll come back and show you the beautiful African mom. So stay tuned. Guys, do you see how stretchy my hair is? Hey, beautiful. It's just like the kinky hair at the store. Beauty supply, you go and buy, and you can't do it like this, okay? Sometimes. Show your Afro kinky hair. Right, so guys, I'm back with this one, just like 6 of them to take out, and we're done. You know what, guys? So I changed my mind. I was saying I want to take the twist out and then retwist it for you guys to see, but my kids were saying this right here, this view right here is too nice. So I think I'm going to enjoy it for 2 days, and I'll come back and then twist it for you guys to see. It's too nice. I'm loving this view right here. Oh my goodness, see? Real kinky twist out. It's just like the kinky that they sell at the beauty supply. Can't you see, guys? Look. Oh my God. So sometimes this is how I wear my hair. Now, no pen. No. And I'm going to stop straightening, like blow dry, for a while. I'm loving this view right here, so I'm going to be doing my hair like this, and I can take it to, if I'm working, I take it to work or outing, anywhere, you know. When I finish taking the rest out, I'll do some hot styles for you guys to see. I mean, just something little, okay? Stay tuned. I'll be back. Blue Magic, oh my god, it's just too good. It's good. It's really, really good for the hair. My hair is not coming out. It's not dry. Very nice. Nothing is coming out, no? So try. If your hair is dry, please try Blue Magic. It's really good, okay? Okay, so now we're done. Done. Wow. Guys, what do you think? What do you think? I'm gonna enjoy it for a few days. Yeah, everything is out. See how it's popping? It's popping. It's popping right here. See? It's nice. Yeah, so I think I'll leave it. I'll enjoy it a little. This just to comb it right away and retwist it. No. I have to enjoy it a little. You see, guys? This is my twist out. It's very, very nice. So I'll rock it a little. Yeah. So you can do a part here. You can clip or something, or you can bring it all front, you know, see? Yeah. Or you can tie the back and leave here on. Ooh, I'm loving it. Okay, bam, I'm done. Stay tuned, okay? So, lovies, as I told you, I said I'm going to rock my hair, my kinky afro hair a little, but it's been raining. When I'm going to the store, the supermarket, I put on shower cap. You know the shower cap we put before you shower so your hair doesn't get wet. Yeah, I put it on, and then I have to put my hat or cap or whatever. It's like a beret, so my hair doesn't show at all because of this coronavirus. So then I decided I want to braid it back. I think I'm going to stick to this one for a while. I will just be washing and then twist right away, no heat, no nothing, and then I'll take it off, tie my pony, and do, you know, styles and everything. So that is what is popping today. This is how I'm taking it. See, it's still nice. It's still nice and curly and thick. Oh my god, I'm loving it, but I can't take it out like this because of still the virus going on, and I'm still using my Blue Magic. You know, I'm using a lot because it's not dry, it's heavy, and I don't want it to be dry, so I'm adding more. You see, guys, you rub it and rub it and rub it. So now I'm going to comb it with my wide tooth comb like that. You see, and then I'm going to use this one to stretch
shampoo it off. Massage. Wait, what is it called? Shampoo scalp massage and shampoo brush.
Yeah, it's very good. So see, I use the shampoo brush to brush it a little to get it more straight. You see how thick it is, guys? See, and when I take this second braid out, it's going to be, oh my god, big. So now like that, and it's heavy, so I part it like I showed you guys. I part it into two, and then I'm going to wrap it around to secure the under, see, and wrap it again, and then now twist it. Yay! So see, I'm at the end, and then I put some more oil so it doesn't get dry. Guys, when you braid your hair and you see the end is thin, then you know you need a little trim. See how all my hair is even, it's all thick. I'm taking good care of it. See, thick to the ends. It's not like spaghetti stick at the end. No, it's all nice. See? Okay. So I'll leave you guys. I'll see you guys again when I'm done with braiding everything, okay? Woo, heavy do. See, very nice, kinky, natural hair. This thing makes the hair nice. It gives you body, and then it conditions the hair, and it grows the hair too. I told you guys I used it way back when I was 14 years going to school, secondary school. This is what, and when you see my hair, everybody thinks I put on wig, but no. That's my hair, and now I'm back to it again. So guys, I'm completely done now. As you can see how thick it is. Oh my god, look at that. Don't you like this? Woo! Ooh, I'm loving it. By the time I don't need any heat. By the time I take it off, look at this. See that? Look. Don't you like this? Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Yep, no chemical. Woohoo, nice. So if I take everything off, it's going to be big afro. You know, I'll show you when I take it off next time. That is it. We're done for today. So see, I just twisted it back. That's it. We're done here. You can do so many things. Sometimes I can, you know, hold it here, and then leave some in front, and that's it. I'm good to go. If you like this right here, what do? Punch on the like button and like it and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.